Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and ejecting the SIM tray. This protects the circuitry and prevents data corruption. Once removed, examine the SIM under good light for scratches, bent pins, or debris. Small corrosion often causes read errors. If the card fits loosely, note the correct size, nano, micro, or standard, because an ill-fitting SIM causes contact faults. Make sure you have a lint-free cloth, 70% plus isopropyl, an adapter if needed, and the replacement SIM on hand. You now clean the contacts and reseat the card so the phone can re-establish a reliable electrical connection. First, dab isopropyl on a cloth or use a soft pencil eraser to remove oils. Do this once per contact and let it dry. Next, insert the SIM in the correct orientation and ensure the tray snaps fully home. A misaligned tray stops contact. Once booted, check the carrier name, ICSID in settings, and signal bars. These confirm the phone recognizes the SIM. You finish by isolating whether the problem is the SIM or the device, because the next steps differ. Put the SIM into a known working phone and try a different SIM in your device. This quickly tells you which part failed. If the SIM works elsewhere, update carrier settings or reset network settings on your phone. Sometimes software blocks registration. If the SIM is physically damaged, contact the carrier for a replacement and keep the ICSID and contacts backed up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.